Hi friends, this is Monish from Technical Monish and today we are going to unbox these MI special products which we ordered in the Independence Day sale. First let us cut this packing. Okay. Here we get this one. First thing is MI Sports earphones, Bluetooth one. Next comes the invoice. Next comes the two MI pens, one for me and one for my bro. And at last the refills of MI pen. These are the content and this is the thing. So let us unbox these earphones first. This original cost is around 1500 and in the discount we got it for 720 rupees only. So let us cut this box and check it out. Okay. After cutting, here we got this. Here we got the manual. You can read this for the functions of the earphones. And here comes the box with empty, and this is the main pack. Here comes the charging cable for the earphones. You can see that. This comes with a micro USB slot and we have the silicone tips of around 5 sizes. Yes. Here we have 1, 2, this one tip, 2, 3, 4. These are small, medium. These are, you can see that these are circle shape. Just take a good look of it. These are in circle shape. If you observe this carefully, these are square shape. And these are the tips we got in the box, so let us keep them aside. And here comes the main packing, earphones. The earphones are very light in weight and are made of silicone wires. You can see. And here is the button where we can where the mic lies, microphone. Here we got the MI branding and volume buttons and power button. Now let us pair this with the mobile phone and check the audio results. Here now we have took this phone and now let us open Bluetooth settings. Let us power on this. Once the mic gets on, you can able to see the blinking light here, and here lies the USB charging port. Now let us open this and here we can see that MI Sports BT earphones basic. Now let us connect this. Here we can see that it has been connected and in the box we get 80% charging. So let us play some of the songs and I am increasing the sound to full. You can be able to see this full sound and I am capturing the audio through the Boya mic and you can see the quality of it. And this is the quality of the earphones, friends, and we have said that this is an extra tip. But sorry, this is not an extra tip. This is used for adjusting the size of the mic. Here for the two sides we should connect it like this and this, and boom, you can adjust the size. Here you can adjust the size. This is very small and this is large. I have tested the mic and I have tested a call also. The receiver is able to hear my voice clearly and the speaker's voice is audible. So these are the best earphones to buy under 1000 rupees price. But only con is that it is made of only wire. If they could provide us any band, it could be a better one. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more unboxing videos. I will be unboxing pens and refills in the next upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Bye.